Hey folks, Maswakil from WM Originals back with another video, and today I wanna show you all best free PDF summarizer AI tool that can help you summarize PDF documents with ease. So if you are tired of reading or going through long ebooks, articles, blogs and novels, then this PDF summarizer AI tool is for you. Well, not only we can summarize PDF documents but can also chat with any PDF document free. So without wasting much time, let's get started to know how to summarize PDF document with AI free, and for this we will be using Tenorshare Chat PDF. Tenorshare Chat PDF is the best free AI PDF summarizer AI tool that can start a conversation for you with any large PDF files such as essays, ebooks, manuals, legal documents, research papers and business or technical reports. So it can be your AI PDF summarizer, AI PDF reader or your free AI PDF tool that helps to ask your PDF documents anything and get instant AI answers. It offers interactive Q&A, streamlined PDF file handling with clean and user-friendly interface. All you need is to follow 2 simple steps and you can chat with any PDF using Tenorshare Chat PDF. Wow, that seems really cool. Let's give it a try, and for that simply follow the links in the description and pinned comment to visit Tenorshare Chat PDF official website. Now click start chatting for free. Here I will suggest you to log in or create an account, and for that simply click sign up. Here we can sign up using Google account or can also create an account using email. Well, if you already have an account, then can also log in using that. Once we are logged in, let's import a PDF document, and for that simply click on this. Now this opens Windows file picker. Here I have a PDF book, The Full Moon. Let's import it. Once imported, here we are ready to chat with our PDF book or novel. And here are a few tips regarding the questions we can ask about the Full Moon book. So first, now let's know how to use Tenorshare Chat PDF to chat with PDF document free, and for that let's ask our book a few questions starting with who is the author of The Full Moon, and then click this. Within seconds here we have the answer. The author of The Full Moon is David Nath. See, that's correct. Now let's ask Tenorshare Chat PDF to summarize The Full Moon for me, and boom, here it is. The Full Moon by David Nath is work of fiction with more details about the book. Simply amazing. Same way we can ask many questions about the book or novel, like how many chapters are there in The Full Moon, and see, here we have the answer. There are 27 chapters in the book The Full Moon. Wow, that's so cool. I simply love it. Same way we can chat with any PDFs free using Tenorshare Chat PDF. So first, this can be the best free PDF summarizer AI for students and researchers, business professionals, writers and editors or legal practitioners. So no matter who you are, do try out Tenorshare Chat PDF to summarize any PDF documents. Now you must ask, is Tenorshare Chat PDF free to use? Well, first we can use it for free, but to use it with long ebooks or PDF documents, we will require a plan. So now let's talk about Tenorshare Chat PDF pricing plans, and for that here we are back on Tenorshare AI Chat PDF official website. Now click pricing. Here we have different pricing plans for Tenorshare Chat PDF. Simply choose a plan as per your requirement. I will highly recommend you all to try out Tenorshare Chat PDF. If you are looking for best free PDF summarizer AI tool, wanna try? Then simply find the links in the description and pinned comment.